Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been doing well. Today I have a super surprise unboxing and reveal. I just got back from Cartier. Today is Saturday, August 31st. I don't know when this video will come up. It really depends on when I have time to edit and get it up, but I will try to get it up as soon as possible just because this is a new item from Cartier, and currently, as of today, it's not even on their website. So I do want to try to get this information out to you guys as soon as possible, but just in case it does become available on the website in between now and when I edit, just wanted to get that disclaimer out there. So really quick story time because I don't have much time to get into this, but in a previous video from a couple months ago, I did talk about certain items that were kind of on my fine jewelry wish list, but they didn't exist yet. Well, guess what? One of those items on that list just released. I heard about it. I texted my sales associate at Cartier on Thursday morning, I want to say. I actually saw the post late Wednesday night, but I didn't want to text her that late. So I waited till Thursday morning. I texted her and I said, hey, I heard that this is being released. Is that true? And she's like, yes, we just got them in a few days ago. They're not even on the floor yet. They're not on the website. And she showed me some pictures. She's like, when do you want to come by and try them on? Like, okay, can I come in on Saturday? And she's like, yes, absolutely. So literally just came back from the store. I was not planning on buying this, but my justification for it was the holidays are coming up. I do feel like this will be my Christmas gift to myself, and I'm pretty confident that I'm not going to buy anything else for Christmas this year. This is kind of it for me. I do feel like this is going to be pretty popular, so I just didn't want to wait for the holiday rush and, trying to get an appointment with her and trying to place an order or anything like that. They had it available today. And also, she didn't say this, but I was also thinking too, if this item does really well, which I think it will, I have a feeling they will increase the price. Maybe not before the holidays, but maybe shortly after. And I just didn't want to deal with that. Do you know what I mean? I just kind of felt like it's available now. If I have the money, I should just buy it and I'll just be really good for the rest of the year. I know this sounds crazy to be unboxing a Christmas gift in August. I mean, technically tomorrow's September, so basically it's already September. That being said, I am the kind of person that I have no problem buying stuff for myself early and then just waiting till the actual time comes around to really enjoy it. So I will often buy myself birthday gifts at the end of January or sometime in February, even though my birthday isn't until the end of March. And then I will unbox it, reveal it for you guys, but I will put it away and I won't actually use it till after that occasion. So I'm the kind of person where that is fine with me. I'm happy to know that I have the item now and then I don't have to worry about it and I can just save it for, when the occasion actually arises. So, all right, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Here is the white bag that my SA put everything in, and I did take an Uber home. I don't know if you guys remember, but the last time I went to Cartier was to get my Etincelle bracelet, which is right here, and someone did try to rob me on the way home because I was carrying my Birkin bag, and so I was way more low-key this time. I did wear this because I wanted to try and see what it would look like with this bracelet, along with this stack right here, the Just on Clou and the 6 motif Alhambra Suite bracelet that I have. Normally I would just wear this one or this one. I wouldn't wear both, but because I wanted to specifically try on this item with the combination of jewelry that I had, I did wear both to the store, and I did take an Uber home, so I didn't have any issues. So, all right, here we go. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, she was really sweet, and she knew that this was kind of like a Christmas gift to myself. So she gave me, it looks like this is sparkling wine or champagne. Oh my gosh, it's Cartier champagne. Look how cute that is. So she gave me 2 bottles. So I will definitely enjoy this over the holidays. That is very sweet of her. And in this really cute little box, there's some goodies. She gave me, it looks like she gave me some perfume samples. So this is the first one, and this is the second one. So cute. I love perfume samples for traveling, and there's some chocolates in here, which is really sweet of her. Also, how cute is this little bag? It's adorable. Yeah, so there's a couple chocolates in here, and sorry, my hand is too big for this tiny little bag. Yeah, a couple more, and there's still some more in here. Yeah, so she packed this up for me. This is very cute. And oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. Okay, so here is the bag. Does anyone have any guesses to what this might be? All right, here's the certificate of authenticity. Here is the item. Ooh, this box has like some nice heft to it. Oh, I was like, where's my receipt? My receipt is also in here. Okay. I'm not ready for this. Are you ready for this? I feel so excited. I'm gonna unbox this now, but then I'm gonna put it back in the box and I'm not gonna touch it till Christmas, which I know sounds absolutely insane, but I don't know. That's just the kind of person I am. And I hate undoing this because it's so beautiful. The seal is just so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go. Are you guys ready? Oh, it's so beautifully wrapped. Okay, here is the outer box. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe this. Okay, so here we have to reveal. Oh my gosh. Isn't she absolutely stunning? This is the small just on clou ring with the diamonds, and they did not make this before because the only way you could have gotten this exact combination was the regular size. And they do have the smaller size without the diamonds, and then they do have the small size that's like pave, so it's like diamonds all around. And I did try that on before, but it was just a little too sparkly for me. It just felt like a little too much for everyday wear. But I knew that when they came out with this, that I would get it immediately. In fact, I've been waiting for this for years because when I bought my bracelet, this one right here, I had asked her about it and she's like, they don't make it yet, but I wouldn't be surprised if they made a smaller version ring with the diamonds. Basically this exact version, the small version in a ring format. She told me I wouldn't be surprised if they came out with that because this one is so popular. And this was like 4 years ago because I think I got this during the pandemic, or it might have been like a year after the pandemic. Occasionally I would check the website and I never saw it. But then when I heard that they came out with this, that's when I texted her the next morning, and this is basically my Christmas gift to myself. So the other thing is I did go with white gold, which is very funny for me in particular because I have kind of been mostly a gold or rose gold person for most of my life. This is the Cartier rose gold and this is the Van Cleef rose gold. My Aura ring is in rose gold. I haven't really talked about this, but I had been wearing an Aura ring and then the Etincelle bracelet right here. And normally I would wear the Etincelle bracelet on my right hand, but like I was explaining, I wanted to try them both on, and I will show photos because I did try on the rose gold version. Ultimately, as you can see, I decided to go with the white gold here, although I was torn. I tried on this one and I tried on the rose gold one, and I don't know. I still really love the rose gold. Don't get me wrong. I think someday maybe I would add it to my collection. I don't know if it would make sense for me to have two of the same ring in a different color. Like, I'm not sure if I'm there yet, but my heart was telling me white gold this time, and I have been kind of on a white gold kick. So let me put this on for you guys so you can see. And I think this is a 55 size because the 54 fit me, but it was just a little bit snug. So that is what it looks like. And then I'm probably not going to do like nail on nail. So here is what I'm thinking. I'm probably going to wear this just with my Etincelle bracelet or just wear this alone. So give me a second while I switch up my bracelet stack. When I had this combination in the store, this is kind of what I fell in love with. I think it would look really, really great just like this by itself. I also think if I wanted to add a little bit more bling, I could just add this. And I think this also looks good too. Like maybe not for everyday use, but you know, for a night out or something like that, I do feel like this looks really, really nice because this is a ring that I pretty much never take off. This is a family ring. So I don't know. It did look also nice with the pink gold as well, but there's just something about this matchy that just really did it for me, if that makes sense. So yeah, ultimately I went with white gold, and my sales associate was joking. She was like, you can always add the pink gold on later. And I was like, yeah, okay. I don't have the pricing off the top of my head. After tax, it was just a little over $3,000. I will definitely insert the pricing for you on the screen, but oh my gosh, how beautiful is that? I'm absolutely in awe. Like I absolutely love the way that this looks. Excuse my nails, I know that they're not done, but I just am so, so happy with this. And yeah, just bring it up closer. She is so, so beautiful. I'm definitely in my white gold era right now, and yeah, there's just something about it that is just so, so stunning. So very, very, very happy with this. Again, I don't know when this is going to be on the website. It's possible that by the time you're watching this video, the website will have this available to buy, but you can still purchase them in store even though they're not on the website. So if you have a sales associate and you're interested, I would definitely try to go to the store now to try it on and see if it's something you would like, because I do really feel like for the holidays, this is going to be a hot, hot item. If this is something that you're interested in, I definitely would put it on your radar sooner rather than later. This is probably going to be my last really big unboxing for the year. I may add a vintage bag or two here or there, but honestly, I just haven't really been shopping lately. So let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions about anything, let me know and I will do my best to answer in the comments. But yeah, this is a hot new item for Cartier and I will pretty much leave it here. So if you like this video, I would really, really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up, and if you would also subscribe to my channel, that would really mean the world to me. And with that, I hope you guys all have a wonderful day and I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.